We want to build things for a solid foundation for the future so that we are consistently a terrific team. Sheila Ford Hamp, Detroit Lions owner. Adrian, now 43, a successful entrepreneur and digital real estate mogul, finds herself in a curious situation. She has been transported into a digital world, face to face with her 13-year-old self, a curious, determined, and hopeful young girl eager to learn. Adrian, you're telling me that you're building a billionaire brand without ever leaving our bedroom in Detroit. What is this digital real estate you speak of? Absolutely, kiddo. Think of digital real estate as owning virtual property. It can be a website, a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, an Instagram account, or even a TikTok account. These are all pieces of online property where you can share your ideas and sell products and reach out to millions of people all over the world without ever leaving home. But how did you make it profitable? How did you stand out? The secret sauce is a powerful strategy that leverages the online world to its maximum potential. Do you remember our fascination with puzzles? It's kind of like that. Each piece is important. Search engine optimization to attract people, great content to keep them engaged, affiliate marketing for income, and email marketing to keep them coming back. And don't forget the power of AI and tools like chatgpt have supercharged the process. And digital real estate is better than owning physical real estate? Well, like everything, it has its pros and cons. It's less expensive to start, has limitless reach, and doesn't require physical maintenance. But it does require continuous effort to keep it relevant and protected from online threats. Plus, as education and businesses are moving online, the demand for digital spaces has skyrocketed. It's like how the Ford family, Sheila Ford Hamp and the bunch, leveraged their physical spaces in Detroit to build a billionaire legacy. Now, let's pretend we're going to build our first digital property, a blog about our favorite books. We'll identify the target audience, create a content strategy, and find out how to monetize it. Reflection questions. How do you envision your digital space in 5 years? What unique value can you offer through your digital real estate? How can you apply the billionaire mindset to your digital strategy? Act of kindness activity. Once we have our blog, we'll use AI tools to help us meet new audiences and grow. Part of our strategy will involve doing acts of kindness, giving away free ebooks, for example. Everyone loves a freebie, and it's a great way to build a loyal following. In essence, digital real estate, when leveraged effectively, can be a game changer, just like it was for me. Like how Ford has done with Detroit. Always remember, building a billionaire brand takes work, innovation, and action. It's time to build, kiddo. Are you ready? Billionaire mindset activities. Develop a growth mindset. Use AI to analyze trends and continuously learn. Focus on value. Use AI tools to understand what your audience values. Leverage the power of networking. Use AI and chatgpt to reach out to influencers and potential partners. 3 steps to set up digital real estate. Step 1. Choose your platform based on your target audience. Optimize your profile for searchability. Consistently provide valuable, engaging content. As the reunion wrapped up, Adrian couldn't help but smile, feeling a renewed sense of purpose and energy. Her final words to her younger self were simple but poignant. Adrian, remember, the future is built on the foundations of the present. Start with building a team within yourself. Forgive yourself for the past mistakes. Learn from them and grow to not repeat them. But repeat mistakes over and over and over until your goal is reached. Make them strong and steady. It's your turn now, kiddo. Go build an empire. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Yes, I can, I will, I must. Let's go. For more information, visit https://www.scochangemarketing.com.